What's up, everybody? Dave coming to you from Sandric Cemetery. Quarantined away. It's nice out here in Ohio, so I got the garage open and I'm doing a prop restoration. I received this prop from my parents. My mom and dad had a neighbor and they were getting rid of all their stuff. It's kind of like a voodoo vampire, voodoo witch type thing. You can't really... I like the head and the eyes, but it was made out of foam and it was just deteriorated from being in heat and not proper storage. Don't know why it has a stick coming out of the head, but I'm going to cut that off and I'm going to keep the hair and the bust. As you can see, it's pretty good detail, kind of veiny. The eyes, nose, and mouth I really like. So what I'm doing to hopefully restore the foam and keep it from cracking, as you can see the cracks in there. So I'm trying to restore it with some latex. See if I can put layers of latex over it. But I don't know. We shall see. But once this latex dries, I will take a couple quick video captures and pictures. You can see it drying here. The eyes are pretty good too. Red and dark around them. But like I said, some severe cracking on the foam there in the back too. The hair will come over and it lays over by the ears and stuff. But so I'm doing prop restoration right now anyway. I have a couple other things going. I'm gonna work on another groundbreaker. Can never have enough of those, and of course this. But the rest of her body looks pretty good. The arms are kind of goofy. I'm gonna cut those off and make my own arms. But the necklaces and stuff are pretty good too, and her wardrobe's not bad. The tethered black lacy thing, the red cloak, chicken's feet, I thought were pretty cool. The skulls and the beads, I'll cover those with liquid latex too. Those are made out of rubber, so they're not as bad a shape as the head. And the rest of the bust, once it dries, I'll turn around and get behind her inside, because she's kind of hollow back there. You can see her underneath the black, it's hollow, like in the back of her head too. So I might spray the inside of that with spray foam, but we'll see how it goes. But that's that for now. Let me know what you're working on, if you're doing any restorations or new prop builds, and let me know and comment down below in the comments what you think. Thanks.